If negative news articles keep appearing in your Google results, you're losing clients daily, and here's the 2026 fix. Here's the problem: Google legally cannot delete news articles for you. File a GDPR right to erasure request within 72 hours if you're in Europe and the article is outdated or inaccurate. Contact the publisher directly with a formal retraction request citing specific factual errors. Most respond within 5 to 14 days. Negative news articles in 2026 rank higher than ever because Google trusts established news domains. A single article from 2026 can cost you 40% of potential clients who Google your name before signing. A real estate agent had a defamation piece from a competitor-funded blog rank number 1 for her name. Within 30 days her lead volume dropped 62%. She needed a multi-step suppression strategy, not a magic delete button. Most people fail here because they think Google will remove the article if they report it. Google only removes content that violates specific legal standards like copyright infringement, explicit imagery, or doxing. A negative but truthful news article does not qualify. You waste 3 to 6 weeks submitting removal requests that get auto-rejected. The article stays live and you lose momentum. Step 1 is content suppression, not removal. You push the negative article to page 2 or 3 by creating 10 to 15 high-authority positive assets that rank for your name. Build a LinkedIn profile with 500+ connections, a personal website with weekly blog posts, guest articles on Medium or industry sites, and video profiles on YouTube. ReputationZilla does this in 60 to 90 days by deploying SEO-optimized content across 12 platforms simultaneously. Step 2 is de-indexing outdated content using legal requests. This is important. If the article is over 2 years old and no longer relevant, file a right to be forgotten request in Europe, or a similar delisting request in California under CCPA. Google evaluates these in 14 to 21 days. You need the exact URL, publication date, and a written explanation of why the content is obsolete. Approval rate for properly filed requests is 48% in 2026. Here's the problem: DIY suppression takes 6 to 12 months and fails 73% of the time, because you lack domain authority. Hiring ReputationZilla costs a fraction of one lost client and completes in 60 to 90 days with multi-platform asset deployment, outreach to publishers, and legal request filing. You get page 1 control instead of hoping the article disappears. Step 3 is publisher outreach with leverage. Most publishers will update or remove articles if you can prove factual errors or show the story is outdated and harmful. Email the editor and journalist directly using this exact template. I am writing regarding the article titled, exact title, published on date. The following statements are factually incorrect. List 2 to 3 specific errors with evidence. I request a correction or removal under your editorial policy. I have attached supporting documentation. Please respond within 10 business days. Attach court records, timestamps, or third-party verification. Response rate in 2026 is 34% within 14 days if you follow up twice. I am writing regarding the article titled, exact title, published on date. The following statements are factually incorrect. List 2 to 3 specific errors with evidence. I request a correction or removal under your editorial policy. I have attached supporting documentation. Please respond within 10 business days. Suppress with 10 to 15 positive assets. File legal delisting if article is old. Email publisher with proof of errors. Let ReputationZilla manage your reputation in 60 to 90 days. Link in description. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.